Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we had a nice little adventure in downtown San Diego. We went to San Diego Comic-Con, and I know it's like November, but there is a special San Diego convention called the SDCC Special Edition, and we got to go today, and it's a lot different than what it normally is. I've got this cool little pin today. It comes, everyone gets this with their badge. It says Comic-Con on it, and I've been going to Comic-Con for I think 7, 8, or 9 years now in a row, and this one was a lot different, especially because of COVID. I think they had this special edition one because they did not have one this summer because of COVID. And so this one was a little bit more smaller. I think usually there's, I don't know how many. Wait, I can look it up. Okay, so for Comic-Con on a regular, there's usually 135K people who are in attendance, and this one had, I want to say, 45K as attendees, and it was a lot smaller. And let me show you guys a couple of different things, and then I have some video of you guys so you can see like down like the exhibit hall. So the exhibit hall was a lot smaller. There was a lot of empty space, especially on the A side of the convention, and then just throughout the whole convention there was a lot of booths that were like far apart from one another, or there was just like empty booths with like nothing there, just tables. And it was definitely a lot smaller. On the outside there's usually things going all throughout like the Gaslamp and all throughout downtown San Diego, and even like in the hotels there's stuff. But this Comic-Con, there was only 2 things that I saw outside. There was like a tin outside where the tin roof is. There was kind of like, it was like a photo, you get like 3 photos, and then you get like a water bottle. When I went through there though, there was no more water bottles. We literally went through when they ran out of water bottles. And then there's also like an obstacle course. I think it was like part of a DC show, so you can do like an obstacle course. And if you're looking for free water and free snacks, you can go over there. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to do the obstacle course. You just show up. They have like a food truck. You get a water, and water is really important to stay hydrated. And then water is like $6-7 inside the convention. So if you're heading over there, just be sure to hit that up. And also, if you guys don't know this, you can also go to like in the Marriott, they have like these snacks. I think it's snacks, waters, drinks, and they're completely free for convention goers. Anyone who's going to SDCC, as long as you have your little badge, you can go in there and get a bunch of snacks. It's actually a really great place. I didn't go there this time, but I've gone there before, and you can get snacks, you can get water, everything's free in there. It's complimentary, and honestly it's a really great place to just kind of chill and relax, especially if you're having a really long day at the convention. It's a nice place to stop. And let me, okay, so because of COVID, they have to do like these vaccination wristbands, and so to get these were a pain in the butt. I think I waited like an hour to get this, and it was hot. The line was long. It was moving really fast, but it was long. It like trailed up and down, and then it went all the way to like hall D, I think, and then all the way back to H, and it took like an hour to get this. And you just need to show your vaccine card and your ID, and I think if you do not have your vaccine, you can get a COVID test within 72 hours and it'll work for that. And yeah, but if you're coming to get these, it would have been so much better, because I had gone on Wednesday, so I had my badge, and I also had this bracelet, but like it's kind of like papery plastic, and I got it wet, and they also like tied it really tight, and I said I was gonna keep it on my wrist, which I should have, but I didn't, because it was kind of a little gross and like way too tight. So I took it off, and then I had to go get another one of these. So if you're coming to the convention, be sure to keep this on your wrist for 4 days, or like, I guess, be ready to wait a while. But if you are coming to get one of these wristbands, be sure to go on not where Hall H is, but on the other side. I think it starts, well, like the thing is like, I think at D, and like people will line up. It literally takes like, people were saying it takes like 8 minutes on that side as opposed to where Hall H is, because that one took forever, and I honestly did not know that there was another one on the other side. So definitely go over there. And there's honestly a lot less things, because usually there are big brands, there's big shows, there's like a bunch of celebrities all over, and this show is kind of, it's a lot smaller. It's like a very interesting kind of show, because it feels like a very small show, because it's like a lot of the big brands that do like all the crazy like interactions and all the crazy booths. Like there's usually like awesome amount of like photo places to do, and like all these unique things. And this year it's a lot smaller for the special edition, and hopefully in summer it is like the craziest, like it's back to normal, everything is back how it usually is. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the following clips. I'm just gonna play a bunch of video of me walking up and down the convention center in the exhibit hall. There actually wasn't that many panels either. There were a few of them, but usually like the panels are like all over the place. And I know there's also a San Diego Comic-Con museum in Balboa Park. I actually kind of wanted to check that out, and they have free tramps to go over there. And I heard you can make like a weapon armor out of like cardboard, and then they actually had well, my friend was telling me that they had something called, I don't remember what it's called, but it's like a wardrobe or something, wardrobe armor, I don't know, but you like get to make your own armor, and it looked really cool. If you want to check that out as well. And thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked this. Be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more content. Bye.